Charges have been filed against a 25-year-old Texas man for eating his girlfriend.
What's illegal about that?
Post-mortem.
Oh, that's illegal.
Yeah.
He killed her, I guess.
Yeah,
right?
he did that.
And he ate her like he actually ate her, right?
He's suspected of eating her.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, you set me up like that, and you take it down.
Do we really need any more details?
You know, I'm looking through here for a detail that is arable.
But this is Tyler, Texas, right?
Yeah.
All right. Nothing's really arable. Well, it's horrible. You know, speaking about horror movies.
The guy's mom called authorities when she found this woman, and then he actually called 911 himself. And he led the dispatcher to believe that he was actually eating the victim.
Oh, you mean the bad way?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there was an ear boiling.
Oh, okay.
Plate full of stuff on the table.
She must have pissed him off
with a fork stuck in it.
Okay, that's enough.
You know,
don't you see that in your spouse? Yeah. She's so mad at you, or he's so mad at you that he's going to eat you.
You got to chop her up and eat her.
No, you just don't think that.
No,